Welcome to part 2 of the new experience. Now today I've got something for you in a more of a breakfasty type, guys. Just roll 6 croissants, pop it out of a tin, into the oven, a little bit of jiggery pokery, and you've got a lovely tray of croissants coming out. So there we go, nice cup of coffee and your morning's off to a good start.